Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you the best websites to make money online. These are great websites that I use myself to make a little bit of money on the side, and this can be great for you if you want to supplement your income, or if you want to use a lot of these, or some of them to create a full-time income. Either way, they're all great. So let's jump into it. The first website here is Mechanical Turk. It's owned by Amazon, and anyone can sign up and complete simple tasks like choosing which of two pictures depicts a bridge. And basically, it's a whole bunch of little tasks that can earn you a few cents per task. So this website in particular isn't going to make you a lot of money, but it can just for doing really small little jobs. So with some practice, you can earn a few dollars an hour while just sitting on your couch watching television. And with enough focus, you can earn an amount roughly equal to minimum wage. So yeah, it's a great website, and you can it's really good that it's run by Amazon. It just means that everything's runs quite smoothly. So, and the next one here we have is Swagbucks. This is perhaps the most popular way to make money online, and it's one of the most legitimate of the online survey sites. So Swagbucks basically pays you a small amount of money for participating in a consumer survey, which companies then use to figure out what kinds of products to make and sell. You can participate in several surveys a day, and Swagbucks earnings can be redeemed for gift cards from Amazon, Target, iTunes, and more. And I do believe you can, redeem it for PayPal cash as well. So as you can see, they've paid over 300 million to their members so far. So this is a great website. It is used by a lot of people. So this one I definitely highly recommend. The next one here is Fotolia. So if you're into photography at all, or if you just like taking photos, this is a great one. Basically, Fotolia allows you to sell photos that you've taken for stock photography usage. As you can see here, it's run by Adobe. So, for example, if a publisher is looking for a picture of a beach, like this one here, the publisher can use Fotolia to purchase the rights to use that picture in its publication. And if it's your photo of the beach there, you receive a cut of the money that Fotolia receives for purchasing that image. So for photography hobbyists, this is a great way to earn a few dollars for some of your best photos. Or like I said, if you just like taking photos out and about, you can take some really good shots and put them up on Fotolia, and just by having them up there, people can find them and buy them, and then you can earn some money from that. So the next one here is Skillshare. Skillshare is a website where you can teach an online class and get paid for it. So you basically record a series of videos on a topic that you know about. Popular subjects include crafts, film, fashion, and cooking, and then you participate in on the Skillshare forums related to your class. So you basically become an online tutor in a particular topic. As you can see here, there's lots of different examples. So there's no teaching degree necessary here to get started, and it's just another way to get a little bit of side income. The site says somewhere here, I did see it somewhere, that the average teacher makes around $3,500 a year. So it's not enough on its own to have a full-time income, but hey, it's one of those things that You know, you can build like a digital asset, you know, a teaching or a class online, and it can stay up there and just earn you money without you doing any further work. So it kind of, you can create a little bit of passive income here, which is quite good. Um, the next one here is Amazon, the Amazon Direct Publishing. Um, and this is, you know, this is creating Kindle books. So basically allows anyone who has written a book on their own to upload it to Amazon to be sold on Kindle devices. So, you know, for example, if you wrote a novel and you wanted to sell it, you know, this is a great platform to do it. You know, you don't need to necessarily use a big publishing company to get your book out there. You know, this can just be sold direct to the consumer. So, you know, if you upload your book on here and you promote it through social media or blogs, you can sell copies of your book and earn as much as 70% return on each sale. So, you know, Amazon takes a small cut, but you get the majority of the money back from your book. So, yeah, if you like writing, this is a great way. You know, you can just write fun, whether it's fiction, nonfiction, anything you like, and you know, get it up here and get it selling. So yeah, it's another great way to do it. The next website I have here is Upwork. This used to be called Elance, but it's changed now. And basically, as it says here, it's a freelancing website. So basically, Upwork allows people in almost any profession to find a freelance work at home in their spare time. So, you know, you can charge what you want, and as you can see here, there are so many different categories. You know, it's trusted by a lot of big startups, and yeah, so Upwork just allows you to freelance from anywhere in the world to work for anyone in the world as well. You know, you can charge what you want. It does get a little competitive, so sometimes you do have to undercut a little bit, and you're not going to make a ton of money. But hey, if you do strike that golden number, you can end up earning a decent living here. So it's a great way if you got any skills in any certain fields. I would suggest, you know, listing those on here and getting some freelance work. You know, might be going to an office every day. The next website here is Fiverr, which is you know, similar to Upwork. You know, these generally are one-off jobs that you can do, but you know, it gets its name basically because people sell their services for anything from $5. Um, you know, people will come on here to find, you know, writers, proofreaders, designers, animators, all sorts of jobs here, and you know, you can, if you have anything you can do, you know, like Upwork, you can list it on here and do some real basic jobs for as little as $5. Now, it's not just $5. You can charge what you like, but similar to Upwork, you sometimes might need to undercut. The more experience you get and the better rating you get, you can up those prices. So you know, this Fiverr is another way you could also end up earning a full-time income with this. So you know, things like writing Facebook posts for companies could be quite easy, but could earn you a full-time living. And most of the jobs on here don't require many creative skills, such as graphic design or audio editing. But tasks are things you can easily do on the couch in your spare time. So, you know, it's here are some popular um, professional services. So here you can see, you know, just a few options here. Okay, and the next one here we have is Zirtual. So Zirtual, you know, this, I guess, kind of similar to Upwork or Fiverr, but it just specializes in virtual assistants. So, you know, this would probably be the most time consuming of these websites, but it is the most rewarding. So, with Zirtual, you sign up to be a Zirtual assistant, as they call it, to basically a busy person around the world. Um, and that person will send you things to do, such as write emails or research a topic and summarize the findings, or personal tasks such as order flows and manage a personal calendar, or you can write handwritten notes. Here are some of the options here. Um, and basically, the starting base pay is $11 an hour, and you work weekdays. You can work weekdays full time. Now, $11 per hour does not sound like that much, but that is the starting rate. So you can end up earning more than that. But yeah, it allows you to kind of work on your own time, but it is project based, so you do, you know, you would have a boss, but they can be anywhere in the world, and it means that you can also be anywhere in the world and still do work for them. So yeah. Now, lastly but not leastly is the last website here, which is YouTube, which obviously is what you're watching this video on. And basically, you know, YouTube is a great platform. There's so many people making online income on here, including myself. So basically, YouTube allows anyone to post, you know, videos on pretty much any topic they desire. So, you know, there's so many options on what you can do. You know, and recording a video can be as simple as turning a camera on your computer on and hitting record, or you can do what I'm doing and do a screen recording. Either way, but once you get to a certain amount of subscribers and views, you can start earning money from advertisements on the videos. So, you know, that can end up being like $1 to $3 per thousand video views, or even more. And yeah, it's just a great way to be seen and a great way to earn income. I mean, YouTube, it's owned by Google, and it's you know, it is, if not sorry, it's supposedly the most widely used search engine next to Google. It may have overtaken Google even. But basically, with this one, you just want to be uploading videos as frequently as you can. I mean, daily is ideal. Sorry, but yeah, the more you can upload, the better. Even if you can upload multiple videos a day, it'll be more rewarding. So yeah, I hope this video has been useful for you. These are all great websites that I use myself, and yeah, if you did like